All right, maybe one of the things that you want to write about in your multi-genre is you need to add a piece that's about a person or a thing that you love that's connected to your topic. And one of my favorite ways to do that is with this poem, The Truth About Why I Love Potatoes by McKeel McBride. Number 1, of everything you get for dinner, they're the most fun to play with. Gravy lakes soaking deep into the soft white alps of the mashed ones. French fries good for fences to keep your fork safe from lima beans. The baked ones perfect for pounding down into pancakes from the moon. Number 2, I guess I forgot to mention how much I used to love globbing mashed potato into a ball, then hurling it at my brother so it seemed he was the one who had made the mess. Now grown-ups do the same thing, too, but usually not with potatoes. If a potato were able to turn into a person, I'm almost certain it would be someone you'd like for a friend. It could teach you to understand the language of animals who live underground, worms and woodchucks, foxes and bears. On a rainy Saturday afternoon, it would take you to funny movies. When you're feeling sad, it would remind you of the good things you'd forgotten about yourself. Number 4, there might be dozens, even more, in the garden without you ever knowing. Bat moons blooming, a secret night sky right under your feet. Number 5, if I could have my wish, I'd want my poem to be just like a potato. Not afraid of the dark, simple and surprising at the same time. You'd have to dig a little to get it, but then you'd be glad you made the effort. And maybe, after you were finished, something in you that had been hungry for a long time wouldn't feel so empty anymore. All right, so some of the things that we notice in this poem is that each stanza is numbered, so it makes it feel like it's a list of the things she loves about the potatoes. When we look at then the structure of this poem, we think about how we can use the beginning sentence as a way to launch our own writing. Because at the beginning, we have a description, and then in the middle, it's like one more reason. And then in number 3, the thing gets personified. Number 4, it's kind of an observation or a wondering about the thing. And then number 5, it kind of has a switch and it talks about something a little bit different. So then when we look at this example from one of my former students, Danielle, she wrote The Truth About Why I Love Alcohol from her dad's point of view, who he was an alcoholic. And so she did the same thing as McBride. She used the very first sentence to sort of set up each of her stanzas. And so if you read through that, you can see the way that Danielle used that mentor text, and then you can try it yourself about a thing that's connected to your topic. All right, good luck. Happy writing.